I'm back. Okay, so it needs wheels. Wheel. That's the wrong kind of wheel. There, fix it. Okay. Wheel. Like a tire. That's how. Well, that's not how you spell tire. Tires. There we go. Then we drop in the tire. Ah. Well, there goes the starlight. Well, there's my starlight. Well, I'm gonna try to do another level in this episode. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and I'm not looking at any walkthroughs. This is just personal experience. Okay, level 5. Let's do it. Okay, level start. Okay. Kick off the beach party. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna need a shovel apparently. Hold on. Shovel. I don't know how to spell shovel. It's like, don't judge me. I'm only 8. Oh. That's not how you spell shovel. I think this is how you spell it.